A petition has been moved to convert Jayalalitha's Poise Garden residence into Amma Memorial. So clearly the Paneerselvam camp has not given up that fight. Remember, Paneerselvam had strongly proposed that the Poise Garden residence should be converted into a Jaya Memorial, and now a petition has been moved in that direction to convert the residence to Jaya Memorial. So that shows that the fight, the tussle between Paneerselvam and Sasikala is being fought at several levels. There is a petition also to question her elevation as the General Secretary, to question Sasikala's elevation as the General Secretary in AIADMK. That is one petition, and this is the second one now, which the Paneerselvam camp is petitioning to convert Poise Garden into Amma Memorial. Shabir has more details on that. Yes, Shabir, so clearly Paneerselvam camp is not giving up the fight easily. This is yet another tussle at another level altogether, where Paneerselvam is hell-bent on having the Poise Garden residence converted to Amma Memorial.
That's right. Paneerselvam is not giving up, and he is going with the popular sentiment that is prevailing in the state. Yes, there is massive anger against VK Sasikala, and what Paneerselvam is trying to do is to convert that into his favor, and that is what he has been doing ever since he revolted against the AIADMK leadership. And now once again he is going on to break up the issue of Jayalalitha's Poise Garden residence to be converted into a memorial. There is also a case that has been filed in the Madras High Court, and the matter is coming up for hearing at around 2:15 p.m. So it remains to be seen what the court decides. But on the other hand, he wants to step up the pressure on Edappadi Palaniswamy if he is going to become the Chief Minister, and if he passes the floor test, then probably that one issue will be something that Paneerselvam will be clinging on to, and he will try to damage the AIADMK government by raking up that issue again and again. So he wants to play his cards really well so that he goes along with the public sentiment and with the popular sentiment that is prevailing in the state.